Are you tired of that nagging neck pain that just won't go away? Do you find yourself constantly rubbing your neck and shoulders after a long day at work? Well, you're not alone. Neck pain is a common problem for many people, but luckily, there are some amazing massagers out there that can help. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 7 best massagers for neck pain relief. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of neck massagers. Starting off our list at number 7 is the InvoSpa Shiatsu neck and back massager. This versatile massager is designed to target not just your neck, but also your back and shoulders. When I first tried this massager, I was impressed by its ergonomic design. It fits comfortably around your neck and shoulders, allowing you to adjust the pressure by pulling on the handles. One of the standout features of the InvoSpa is its 8 deep kneading Shiatsu massage nodes. These nodes work wonders on tight muscles, providing a deep tissue massage that really gets into those knots. I found the heat function to be particularly soothing, especially after a long day hunched over my computer. The InvoSpa offers 3 speed settings, allowing you to customize the intensity of your massage. I appreciated this feature, as some days I needed a gentler touch, while other days I craved a more intense massage. Another great aspect of this massager is its portability. It comes with both an AC adapter and a car charger, so you can use it at home or on the go. I've even used it during long car rides to prevent stiffness. While the InvoSpa is effective, it can be a bit bulky for some users. Additionally, the massage can be quite intense, which might not be suitable for those with sensitive skin or very tender muscles. However, overall, it's a solid choice for those looking for a versatile neck and back massager. Coming in at number 6 is the VYBE Percussion massage gun. Now, this isn't your traditional neck massager, but it's incredibly effective for targeting specific areas of tension in your neck and shoulders. When I first got my hands on the VYBE, I was a bit intimidated by its power tool-like appearance, but I quickly realized its potential. The VYBE offers 6 speed settings, ranging from 500 to 2,400 percussions per minute. This wide range allows you to start gentle and work your way up to a more intense massage. I found this particularly useful for warming up my muscles before diving into a deeper massage. One of the things I love about the VYBE is its versatility. It comes with 3 different attachment heads, each designed for different purposes. The ball attachment works great for larger muscle groups, while the bullet attachment is perfect for targeting specific trigger points in your neck. The battery life on the VYBE is impressive, lasting up to 3 hours on a single charge. This means you can use it multiple times before needing to recharge. I've even taken it with me on weekend trips without worrying about the battery dying. While the VYBE is incredibly effective, it does have a bit of a learning curve. It took me a few tries to figure out the right pressure and speed for different areas of my neck. Additionally, it can be quite loud, which might be a concern if you're looking for a quiet massage experience. 5. Shopper Image Realtouch Shiatsu Massager. This sleek and modern massager caught my eye with its stylish design, but it's more than just good looks. The Realtouch is a cordless, rechargeable massager that offers both convenience and effectiveness. One of the standout features of the Realtouch is its 3D kneading massage nodes. These nodes rotate and move in multiple directions, mimicking the feel of a real massage therapist's hands. I found this to be incredibly relaxing and effective at working out knots in my neck and shoulders. The heat function on the Realtouch is another great feature. It warms up quickly and provides a soothing heat that helps to further relax tense muscles. I often use this feature in the evening to help me unwind before bed. What I really appreciate about the Realtouch is its portability. Being cordless means you can use it anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. The battery life is decent, lasting about an hour on a full charge, which is usually enough for a few massage sessions. While the Realtouch is great for neck and shoulder massages, I did find that it's not as versatile as some other massagers on this list. It's designed primarily for the neck and shoulders, so if you're looking for a full-body massager, this might not be the best choice. 4. Fusion Black Pro Deep Tissue Massage Gun. Similar to the VYBE, this is a percussion massager that can be used on various parts of the body, including the neck. What sets the Fusion Black Pro apart is its power and advanced features. The Fusion Black Pro boasts an impressive 20 speed settings, ranging from 1,200 to 3,200 percussions per minute. This wide range allows for incredibly precise control over the intensity of your massage. I found this particularly useful for working on sensitive areas of my neck. One of the things that impressed me most about the Fusion Black Pro is its quiet operation. Despite its power, it runs at less than 45 decibels, making it one of the quietest percussion massagers I've used. This means you can use it while watching TV or even in a quiet office without disturbing others. The Fusion Black Pro comes with 6 different attachment heads, each designed for different purposes. I particularly like the fork attachment for working on the muscles on either side of my spine. The battery life is also impressive, lasting up to 4 hours on a single charge. While the Fusion Black Pro is incredibly effective, it does come with a steeper learning curve than some of the massagers. It took me some time to figure out the best techniques for using it on my neck. Additionally, its professional-grade power might be overkill for some users who are just looking for a light massage. 3. Homedics Neck Massager. This U-shaped massager is designed specifically for the neck and shoulders, and it does its job exceptionally well. When I first tried the Homedics, I was impressed by how comfortable it was to wear. The Homedics features 4 rotating massage nodes that provide a deep, kneading Shiatsu massage. These nodes change direction every minute, which I found helped to prevent any one area from becoming overstimulated. The heat function is also a nice touch, providing soothing warmth to further relax tense muscles. One of the things I really appreciate about the Homedics is its simplicity. It has easy-to-use controls right on the arm of the massager, allowing you to adjust the massage and heat settings without having to reach for a separate control panel. The auto shoot-off feature after 15 minutes is also a nice safety touch. The Homedics is lightweight and portable, making it easy to use at home, in the office, or while traveling. It's powered by a standard outlet, so you don't have to worry about battery life, although this does mean you need to be near an outlet to use it. While the Homedics is great for neck and shoulder massages, it doesn't offer as much versatility as some of the massagers on this list. It's designed specifically for the neck and shoulders, so if you're looking for a full-body massager, you might want to consider other options. Just missing out on the top spot, we have the truMedic Shiatsu neck, back and shoulder massager at number 2. This massager impressed me with its combination of effectiveness and versatility. It's designed to be used on the neck, shoulders and back, making it a great all-in-one solution for upper body tension. The truMedic features 8 massage nodes that provide a deep, kneading Shiatsu massage. What I really love about this massager is the flexibility it offers. You can adjust the width of the massage nodes to fit your body perfectly, ensuring you get the most effective massage possible. The heat function on the truMedic is particularly impressive. It heats up quickly and maintains a comfortable temperature throughout your massage session. I found this especially soothing for chronic neck tension. One of the standout features of the truMedic is its arm loops. These allow you to pull down on the massager to increase pressure where you need it most. I found this incredibly useful for working out stubborn knots in my shoulders. While the truMedic is highly effective, it is one of the heavier massagers on this list. This can make it a bit tiring to use for extended periods, especially if you're using the arm loops to increase pressure. However, its effectiveness more than makes up for this minor inconvenience. And finally, at number 1, we have the COMFIER Shiatsu Neck Back Massager. After trying out numerous neck massagers, I can confidently say that the COMFIER offers the best combination of features, effectiveness, and comfort. The COMFIER features 8 deep, kneading massage nodes that provide an incredibly thorough massage. What sets it apart from other massagers is its 2D/3D massage mode. The 2D mode offers a gentler massage, while the 3D mode provides a deeper, more intense massage. I found this flexibility incredibly useful, allowing me to adjust the massage intensity based on my needs. The heat function on the COMFIER is top-notch. It offers 3 heat levels, allowing you to choose the perfect temperature for your massage. I particularly appreciated this feature during colder months when my muscles tend to be tighter. One of my favorite features of the COMFIER is its adjustable intensity. You can easily increase or decrease the pressure of the massage nodes, allowing you to customize your massage experience. This is particularly useful if you have sensitive areas or if you prefer a gentler touch. The COMFIER is also incredibly versatile. While it's designed primarily for the neck and shoulders, it can also be used on other parts of the body like the back, waist, and legs. I've even used it on my calves after long runs. While the COMFIER is our top pick, it's worth noting that it's a corded device, which might limit its portability for some users. However, the cord is quite long, providing plenty of flexibility for use at home or in the office. And there you have it, our top 7 best massagers for neck pain relief. Remember, what works best can vary from person to person, so consider your specific needs when choosing a massager. Whether you're dealing with chronic neck pain or just need some relaxation after a long day, one of these massagers is sure to help. Thanks for watching, and here's to a pain-free neck.